DummyExecutor for Python's futures. Python's futures package allows us to enjoy thread pool executor and process pool executor for doing tasks in parallel. However, for debugging it is sometimes useful to temporarily replace the true parallelism with a dummy one, which carries out the tasks in a serial way in the main thread, without spawning any threads or processes. Is there anywhere an implementation of a dummy executor?
Something like this should do it. Locking is probably not needed in this case, but can't hurt to have it.
Use this to mock your thread pool executor.